Guys, myself Om Sonone. Today I am presentation on React.js. First is React.js, and to be topic cover we in React.js. What is React.js and React? What are the major features of React.js? What are the advantage of React? Drawback of React.js? What is the JSX? What is the difference between state and props? What is a virtual DOM and how it's work? React component lifecycle, introduction, Angular JS and React JS, conclusion and reference. Okay, and first topic will be what is a React and React JS. React is a free open source software, free open source front and JavaScript library for building user interface or UI component. It is maintained by Facebook community and developer companies. Okay, React is a use build single page application. React can also be in hacking part of a exiting website with additional interactivity. Okay, React allows use to create reusable UI component. Okay, a piece of a UI can be various part of application build mover one UI instance. I can have a button. I can have a button component display with different color. Okay, and it is a JS library using a JSX compiler to exploit interactive complex solution objective view model. Okay, next is a what is the major feature of React.js? Currently, React.js gaining quick popularly as the best JavaScript framework among web developers. It is a playing an essential role in the front end ecosystem. The important feature of React.js are as follows. First is a JSX. JSX stand for JavaScript XML. Okay, it is allows to write in HTML in React. Okay, second is a component. Component are independent are reusable bit of a code. One-way data binding. Third, one-way data binding. Um, React.js, React.js used binding component to the ideal and component to the view. Any change in component data will be get reference. Okay, and virtual DOM is a programming concept on UI Quebec memory. Uh, it is called as a virtual DOM. Next is simplicity. Uh, Simplicity is boiled down the three things: probe, state, and a constant. Okay, and performance. Performance. The React app is a faster app. That performance is better. Next topic is what are the advantage of React? Makes JavaScript coding easier to the grab automatically. Okay, extremely component. Third is a excellent cross platform support. Developer to be cross-platform iOS and Android application in JavaScript. Okay, excellent cross. Okay, let's cover that. Handle dependencies, template designing made easy, provide amazing developer tools, UI focused design, and easy to adapt. Okay. Next is a drawback of React.js. The high piece of a development uh, has a advantage and disadvantage both. Poor documentation. It is another cons which are common for consistently updating technologies. View part. React.js cover only the UI layer of the app. Nothing else JSX varies. And what is a JSX? JSX stand for JavaScript XML and JSX allows to the write HTML in React. JSX makes it easier to the write and HTML in React. with JSX you can write expression inside curly braces. Okay. Next is what is the difference between state and proofs? Proofs are read only, and state change can be analysis change. Okay. Proofs are immutable, and state is mutable. Proofs allow you to pass data from one component to other component as an argument. State hold information about the components. Proofs can be accessed by the child component, and state cannot be accessed by child component. Proofs are used communication between component, and state can be used during dynamic change with the component. Okay. Now, what is a virtual DOM? How it's work? The virtual DOM is a programming concept where an ideal or a virtual represent of UI is kept in a memory and sliced with the real DOM by the library such React DOM. This process is called virtual DOM. Okay. Uh, how it's work? The approach is enable to declarative API of React. You tell uh, you tell React state you want the UI to be and makes the DOM matches that state. The abstract out the attribute manipulation, event handling, and manual DOM updating that will be otherwise have to use the build your app. Okay, and React components life cycle topic. In React, every component creation process involve various life cycle methods. These life cycle methods are termed as component life cycle. These life cycle method are not very compile complicated and called as various point during the component life. The life cycle of the component is divided into four phases. There are initial phase, mounting phase, updating phase, and unmounting phase. Okay, each phase contain some life cycle method that are specific to be particular phase. Let's discuss each of these phase by one by one. Okay. Next is a introduction to AngularJS and React.js. Uh, AngularJS author Google and React.js author Facebook community. Developer by Misco AngularJS Misco Henry and React.js is Jordan Walk. Latest version of AngularJS 1.7.8 on 11 March 2019 and React.js is a 16.8.6 on 27 March 2019. Okay. Language in AngularJS, JavaScript, and HTML. And language is React.js, JSX. Okay. Type of open source in AngularJS, open source MVC framework, and React.js is open source JS framework. Rewriting of AngularJS client side and rewriting of React.js server side, packaging AngularJS weak and packaging of React.js strong, data binding bidirection to AngularJS and React.js unidirectional, DOM AngularJS DOM, Reangular DOM, and React.js DOM is virtual DOM. Okay, thank you.